Hi everyone, welcome to my class today. We are going to learn how to say stone fruit and drupe fruit in Cantonese Chinese. Whether you love peaches, cherries, or plums, by the end of this video, you will know their Chinese names and how to pronounce them correctly. Let's get started. Stone and drupe fruit. 核果 核 means nut. 果 means fruit. 果 nut fruit. 核果 avocado 牛油果 牛 means cow. 牛油 means cow oil. Butter means 牛油 butter. 果 means fruit. Butter fruit. 牛油果 red date 紅棗紅 red 棗 means dates. 棗 means dates. 紅棗 olive 橄欖 Gam literally refers to the olive tree or olive fruit. Lam also means olive, but when combined as gam lam, it forms the standard word for olive. Gam lam. Mature dates. 椰棗 means coconut. 棗 dates, coconut dates. 椰棗 mature dates. 椰棗 plum 梅 apricot 杏 apricot nectarine 油桃 means smooth or oily, referring to appearance. 油桃 peach smooth-skinned peach. 油桃 peach 桃 peach 桃 mango 芒果 芒 approximates the man sound. 果 fruit mango fruit 芒果 lychee 荔枝 Lai means lychee tree. 枝 means branch or fruit, his as a part of the name. 荔枝 lychee fruit. 荔枝 longan 龍眼 龍 means dragon. 龍眼 means eyes. Dragon size. 龍眼 coconut 椰子 椰 means coconut tree. 椰 子 means fruit or seed. 椰子 cherry 櫻桃櫻桃櫻 means cherry tree or blossom. 櫻桃桃 means peach and used here for the fruit surface. 櫻桃Canton Australian white peach. O州澳洲 means Australia. 野 means wild. 桃 means peach. Australian wild peach. 澳洲野桃澳洲野桃 Rambutan 紅毛丹紅 means red 紅毛 means hair 毛丹 it's a phonic or red colored word. 紅毛丹 means red hairy fruit. 紅毛丹 Thank you for watching. Hope you like my video. Goodbye.